Hello and welcome back to the channel, where today we're getting stuck in on our very own Porsche GT4. As you can see behind me, she's looking a little bit worse for wear. It's been out on a track day, it's been driven on some pretty grubby roads, so we're going to give it a good maintenance clean before we get out there and get stuck into it again. Let's get into it. So just like that, our GT4 is complete. Now, this was by no means a big detail of any shape or form. What we've done here though is maintain a car that has been previously detailed. The front end of this car has a PPF wrap. It's basically got a track pack on it, but we have left some paint exposed. So the doors, the rear quarters, the roof, the rear wing, and some of the rear bumper is still actual paint. The reason we do that is we enjoy detailing our cars. Also gives us a test bed to test different products on. We've got the best of both with this car. And that's the reason why we drive them in the winter, we drive them on track, we drive them in the summer. We basically use them to test our products out and then see where we can do better, whether it's in the product or the technique, to show you how to clean your car properly. Until the next one, thanks for watching.